Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So I'm going to show you how to bold, italic, underline and strike through your text. So for that I'm going to my note so that I can show you how you can bold, italic or underline or strike through your text. Go to notes and tap the edit, and then from here write something. I'm going to type cat lovers, and from on the first line, on the first option, you can see the title, heading or subheading. This is your bold, this is italic, this is underline, and this is strike through. So yeah, this is how you can write your text with bold, italic and underline and strike through. So you can change your format, or you can change your label, or you can color it as well. So yeah, this is how you can bold, italic, underline and strike through your text. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.